2012 TC. The Scion TC is powered by a spirited engine with a completely responsive handling system. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, air conditioning, four-wheel ABS, front-wheel drive, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, alloy wheels, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, air conditioning, front, 6-speed manual transmission, standard, keyless entry, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, FWD, AM/FM stereo radio. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.